Pottinger's class? Today we were converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. Can you do that?
Yes.
Something really important about a fraction we need to remember today. What is a fraction?
Division problem.
Fraction is always a division problem. True or false?
True.
What kind of number is this?
Mixed number.
And then what kind of number is this?
Improper fraction.
This is new though. Improper fractions are fractions. They are fractions. But what is the difference between the numerator and the denominator?
The numerator is larger than the denominator.
We're used to the numerator being smaller than the denominator, right?
Yes.
But in this case, it is larger. And that's what an improper fraction is. Okay, we're going to do this thing called around the world. Around the world is a way to convert a mixed to an improper fraction. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the whole number, and we're going to draw an arrow to the denominator. Then we're going to draw an arrow from the denominator to the numerator. We just went all the way around the world, yes or no?
Yes.
Then we're going to put a multiplication sign next to our first arrow, and an addition sign next to our second arrow, yes?
Yes.
Then we're going to do the math. What is 2 times 2?
4.
What is 4 plus 1?
5.
We just found our numerator, right?
Yes.
What's the denominator then to finish it?
2.
It's the same as the denominator in the mixed number, right?
Yes.
It's always going to be the same as the denominator in the mixed number. Okay. How many parts do we have then if we have 5 over 2? How many parts do we have?
5.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, right?
Yes.
And each of our pizzas here that we have are split into how many pieces?
2.
Into 2 are halves, right? Sweet. Around the world again, right? Our denominator is always going to be the same on the improper and the mixed number. Our denominator is always going to be the same on the improper and the mixed number.
Yes.
We good with this?
Yes.
How do you convert from an improper then to a mixed?
Divide.
This is a fraction bar, true or false?
Yes.
It's also a
Division.
It's a division sign, right? Our fraction 5 over 2 could also be said as 5 divided by 2, right?
Yes.
So if I said 5 divided by 2, what goes inside the division house? The numerator or the denominator?
Numerator.
Therefore, the denominator goes on the outside, right?
Yes.
You guys know how to do 5 divided by 2, don't you?
Yes.
We good?